Hey YouTube, I was pretty pleased to see the response to our Reuben-Quest video that you can see right here. Unexpectedly, I got a response from one of my very favorite people anywhere on the globe. You curious to see who that person was? Believe me, you do not want to miss this video. Let's roll.
My friends, today I'm going to show you how a real Reuben sandwich, or as we call it in Germany, Reuben sandwich, originally is done. Yeah. So first of all, we take a bun. This bun should be as dark as possible. Yeah. Having as much cereals as you can put inside. Yeah. You see how brown it is and how much cereals. You see this nice, beautiful color, right? Okay. So this is the base. This is the sandwich for our Reuben sandwich. And for the layer we're gonna put on it, yeah, you see this is a nice Rübe, yeah. So, Radi, as we say in Bavaria. So we cut it nice and beautifully. You see how juicy, wonderful, yeah. Then you take a good slice of it, yeah. Since we are Bavarians but not Barbarians, yeah, we're gonna remove the peel, of course, yeah. Removing the peel of the Rübe, of the Radi. Yeah. Nice. Look at this. Isn't this beautiful? That's Rübe. Put it on side. We put it on side, and then most important ingredient, we take sweet Bavarian mustard. Sweet Bavarian mustard. Yeah. Take one spoon of it. Yeah. We put it on top. You see, oh, nice and wonderful. Yeah. And then we just cover it with the lid of the bun, and then Reuben sandwich.
Hey YouTube, bring it in, just real close. Hey, I want to take a minute for some shameless recruiting. I've got a lot of respect for these folks that we see a couple of pictures about here on screen. This is my cousin and his wife, and we've traveled with them, visited them. I've known them for quite some time, and I'd really like to see him participate since they already do so much traveling, and he's pretty darn tech savvy. Not to mention he's got a pretty good sense of humor. So drop it down in the comments if you agree that Mr. Gunter here would be a good addition and partner to the Read for Effect YouTube channel, and we'll see how the feedback goes. Hopefully we can bring him on board. Thanks.
Please and thank you.